All right, guys, another day, another deal. I got this bike. This is a continuation of the second bike that I picked up in the same day. This is a Orbea. It's pretty dirty, so this just needs a good wash. It doesn't need any work. I'm just gonna put it up for sale. I paid $150 for it. I'm gonna try to flip it for $500 to $550, guys. I might just let it go for $400 just to sell it really fast. Okay, so I'm not sure yet. But again, this is the second bike I picked up today. This I don't think this was a really great deal. I paid $150 for it, and I'll sell it for $400 to $500. Depends on how fast I want to sell it. I'm not gonna fix it. I'm not gonna do anything special to it. I'm just gonna wash it. I'm just gonna do exactly what I say in my book. Wash it. Use that copy and paste sales copy. Put it in the ad, and then sell it. So if you want to know what bikes to buy, what sizes to buy, what models to buy, what brands to buy, how to give the offers, you can buy a bicycle that's worth $500 for $100. Then download the new Flip. You also get free coaching with it. So I'll keep you updated on this deal. Just a quick short video. Peace.